You thought you've seen all the unboxings Goober and Buddy has to offer? Wait till you see this. Best $11 I've ever spent. Here's a good thumbnail. Put a blurred mosaic over it. That's all you really need. Alright, editor, could I have a knife, please? I like pretending that I have an editor. I'm just gonna grab the knife that's on the little stand next to me. It's an elemental gut knife from CSGO. Pretty sick, good for unboxing. Let's get the up close footage. Alright, let's crack this thing open. I'm pretty sure we don't need a knife for this, but I always think it looks cooler, so. Stuff in here is pretty fragile anyway. Just use my gorilla strength. Now, are you ready for this? It's another freaking box. Let's get a closer look at this, guys. The absolute best $11 I've ever spent. Just get back up here. Whew, does that look more natural? I think it does. Got a lamp because it's evening, and if I have actual natural lighting, it looks like crap. Okay. Alright, this is good. This is okay. Whew. I really hope I don't have to explain why I bought this thing. Everyone I told that I was buying this asked me, that's absolutely insane. Why would you do that? A female mannequin head. It's made of styrofoam. It's probably not used for what I'm gonna use it for. It's a bit creepy right now, I'll have to admit. Honestly, there were a lot of types on Amazon. A lot of which didn't look like the types you see in the videos like this that I'm planning to do. I bought two because like $8 for one or $11 for two. So I mean, you gotta get the. Why I got female is because I did some studies. Okay, guys, I examined the vines, the videos that include these guys, and under furthest inspection, this looks the most like how it's supposed to be. But poor mother of, what did they do to you? No. Honestly though, I don't really care because, you know, I don't really think it matters how good it looks. This guy's nose is a little messed up too. But I mean, they're styrofoam, so like, what are you gonna do? I'm really excited to use these for future videos. Not too sure what I have planned right now, but yeah, weird video, right? We actually have an Instagram. I mentioned that in the last video. You guys should go check it out. Someone copied our channel. Click the card right here. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you didn't, leave a dislike because you disliked it. If you're ready for some more of these, hit that sub button and the bell. Join the notification squad to get notified every single time we upload. It's always at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My Instagram followers know, at Mr. Goober and Buddy. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.